Hi, I'm Denis Souza, Celebrity Colors for JOICO, and I'm here to show you how to give your clients the perfect city chic blonde using our incredible new Blonde Life Lightener and JOICO's Lumishine hair color. Our Blonde Life Lightener safely lifts the hair 9+ levels in record time, while giving each strand strength and nourishment. That's because it contains arginine, which safeguards hair against the damaging effects of lightening, as well as tamanu and monoi oils, doubling the nourishment for lustrous, vibrant hair. This look is a city chic, cool blonde that is just as healthy as it is head-turning. It's a blonde for beautiful, confident women who feel equally at home in the club and in the boardroom. To create this blonde shell look, I am going to start with a cool, even blonde base and add dimension for multi-faceted color. Now, let's get to work. We started off by pre-coloring the base with Formula 1, Lumishine Permanent Cream Color in 9 Blue Ash and 10 Volume Lumishine Developer to create a cool, natural blonde palette. Next, we add dimension to lift your blonde to new heights. Mix Formula 2, Blonde Life Lightener and 10 Volume Lumishine Developer. Start by taking horizontal microwave sections at the hairline of the nape and applying Formula 2. From scalp to ends like this. Work upward toward the occipital bone, starting with the right side, then the left, leaving natural hair between the foiled sections. You should have approximately 5 foiled sections on each side. Next, take a 3 to 4 inch square parting above the occipital bone in the center back. Then, continue to work your way upward, applying Formula 2 to horizontal microwave sections in a break lay pattern. Start with the right section, followed by the middle, and finish with the left. From there, you will start working your way into the top section. Take back-to-back horizontal microwave sections until you reach the center top. Now it's time to bring in even more of the light we love. Begin with a vertical microwave section at the hairline. As you work toward the ear, pivot microwave sections upward following the hairline. Your sections should become vertical diagonal, then horizontal. Your final section should be parallel to the center part. This technique shows off your gorgeous, shiny blonde hair, whether it's worn back in a ponytail or down and free. For even more luminance, try incorporating fine slices to your microwave sections from the corner of the eyebrow to the temple. Remember to leave out the fringe. We'll get to that next. Repeat on the other side. Now, let's bring some light to the fringe. Start at the hairline and work your way up, placing back-to-back horizontal microwave slices. Make sure to place your foil close to the scalp, since you want to apply the lightener as close to the scalp as possible. Then repeat for 3 foils. Now just process and remove Formula 2 using Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo. Once you rinse, apply cuticle sealer for 5 minutes and rinse again. We are almost there. Allow the gloss to process for up to 15 minutes. Then rinse and shampoo with Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo. Finally, apply Blonde Life Brightening Mask for 2 to 5 minutes and rinse. Now you're ready to style. There you have it, a chic, cool blonde that looks just as sexy in the city as she does in the hills. Keep your blondes looking healthy and radiant at home with the Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo, Conditioner, and Mask. I'm Denis Souza. Thanks for watching.